In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add background image to Tradingview chart. Start with an open chart. If you are on the Tradingview homepage, open any symbol so you are looking at a live chart window. Make sure the chart area is active on your screen, because the image will be placed into whatever chart is currently open. Using the tools inside Tradingview, you can add an image from the left-hand toolbar. Look for the T icon, which is the text tool. Click the small arrow beside it to expand the menu. Then select Image. A file picker will open. Choose the image you want. Confirm your selection, and Tradingview will place it on your chart. This method is especially handy if you are already working with drawing tools and want to keep everything in one place. For best results, choose a file that's not excessively large so it loads smoothly and doesn't slow your workspace. Once your image is on the chart, you'll likely want to adjust it. Click the image to reveal its handles. Then drag those handles to resize. Using the corner handles helps maintain proportions and keep things looking natural. Aim for a size that covers the background enough to be visible without overwhelming your price action. To keep your candles, price bars, and indicators clearly visible, right-click the image and select Send to Back. This places the image behind your data, so your analysis stays front and center. If your chart still feels too busy, consider using a softer, lower contrast image or a lightly blurred version created outside Tradingview before you import it. Subtle textures and muted colors typically work best. That's it. Thanks for watching.